This is my website interface. My website name is EV Route Pro. Here we can run our route simulation according to your need. We will discuss on this. First of all, this is my front page of my website, a fully fledged attractive website where you can go and directly simulate the routes. So why drive with EV Route Optimizer? We will provide you intelligence route planning, dynamic charging integration, performance analytics, interactive fleet map, sustainable operations, real-time efficiency. So let's move on to the simulate our route. This is the page where we can choose our simulation strategy such as fastest delivery, max load, coverage and etc. So let's move on to the first fastest delivery. Here you can get your simulation result, you can get your route visualization, route details, vehicle status, simulation static and so on. Here we do fastest delivery, that's why we are getting only charging stops is 3. Because we need fastest delivery means as much as minimum time to cover the distance. So if we need fastest delivery, then anyhow we have to pay but extra amount. Here is vehicle status, we can get the information of battery level and load weight with also route summary. So this is the route visualization map and this is the route details where we can move from hub to the particular delivery node. Here is the full summary. Now we can move to the next strategy. Let's take the minimum cost. See here, for minimum cost, the cost required bit lesser than faster delivery. And also it is stopping on only 3 charging stations. As per as EVS requirements, then it's set on the algorithms. Similarly, this is the vehicle status and this is route visualization, map and route details. So thank you so much for giving your time. If you have any queries, then please feel free to contact me. Bye bye.